Here is a video of this 17 South Street here in Defense Phase 2 DHA. You can make out the school in front of you and you can see the entire street flooded. And since it rained again in the afternoon around 2 p.m. and you can see how it is. All of these houses were flooded completely during the night time. Cars were floating, even trucks got stuck here. The water entered the house into the water tankers. The water went up to the stairs inside my house. We had to move all of our television and electronics equipment upstairs. And it was just sad, It was unbelievable, really shocking that nobody took action. Not even the city Nazim or people from DHA or CBC or disaster management control came in. It's just amazing. It's astounding. Even the pole in front of me, you couldn't see it. The pole which is in front of me, the electricity pole, KSC. Well, you can see the block on which it has been erected, and it was completely submerged in water. You can see for yourself. Still nobody here from these cantonment boards, DHA, CBC or anybody, or the Nazims or disaster and management control.